Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to SHIB update today. So there's one thing that is very clear to me, and you can see that you've made a something known as a V-shaped recovery. Okay, so this is a move down, and when you move up back up very quickly, it actually means that the sellers were pushing the prices down, and at this point the buyers stepped in and they pushed the prices back up, creating this thing known as V-shaped recovery. So it's a pattern. It's known as V-shaped recovery. It's not inverse head and shoulders and stuff, but there is always a neckline for the V-shaped recovery as well, just like you have with inverse head and shoulders. So for me, if you end up breaking above, which I strongly believe you're going to be breaking above here, then you could be looking for SHIB to go from this to that, and you might just end up coming up to 2331 as your next technical target. So that's going to be a massive push, and this is going to be an increase of nearly 33%. So that's all for this quick update on SHIB, and I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.